Oh yeah, today's another Tag Thursday. Roll that intro. What's up everyone, welcome to my channel, Small Bore and Two Wheels. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So what is Tag Thursday? There's a video explaining it, but let me just tell you the gist of it. It's the tag game is a game that we play in a forum, 49cc Scoot, where it's kind of like a scavenger hunt. And if you guys followed 48 Hours of Ruckus, is the slow down year-long version of 48 Hours of Ruckus. Somebody posts a challenge, and then they post a picture of what the next challenge they want to use is, and then somebody posts a picture that makes sure that the challenge is correct, and then they do the same thing. They find something else that they want people to get, take a picture of it as an example, and then go from there. There is a little trophy at the end of the year. It's mostly for bragging rights. You know, you are the winner of the tag game at the end of the year. It's pretty competitive, and if you want to get onto it, make an account on 49cc Scoot. And if you really want to be competitive, download Tapatalk. Is an application for your phone which connects to the forum and allows you to receive notifications every single time somebody posts something on a specific thread. So if you have a notification on the thread for the tag game, then you automatically know what the next tag is, usually faster than anybody else. But you got to keep in mind that the people at the top use Tapatalk, so take that with a grain of salt. Right now we're actually on our way to a liquor store because that is the tag. I am not gonna get any stuff, any drinks or anything at the liquor store, but that's just where we're headed. Let's see, there should be one around here. I am not wearing long sleeves, which is quite scary. I'm also not wearing my Kevlar pants, which now I'm kind of terrified of not wearing them, but it was pretty close. Although I shouldn't say that, because when I fell, I was actually right by my house. Specs Wine Spirits liquor store, here we come. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a picture, post it on Tapatalk. Actually, I can't post it on Tapatalk yet because I don't have my secondary post, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this picture. Come on. Nope, again with the weird waves. Alright, so we got the liquor store, and pretty much what you do is just kind of look around. You can do a long ride, a short ride to get your next tag. I don't want to turn around that way. Let's see. I think there may be like a dog groomer on the next one, so we'll go there. And that is a text message from my wife that you heard, because I have my Sena connected to it just in case. Man, I don't know what happened to my watch. I think I must have taken it off. I'm working nights, so a 20-minute ride should be fine, just to keep the blood flowing, the battery charged, whatnot. Which brings me to the next thing. My wife said I say whatnot a lot. You can kind of see it. I think it's on the Trayvax Link lanyard unboxing. I've been making a conscious effort to stop saying whatnot, but yeah, everything pet, so a pet store. Let's see, we'll take that one. Should be good to go. I need to change my rear brakes. I got the pads already. I guess the shoes. And I'll do the selfie thing again because you guys already know do a fancier looking one. Alright. And what I'll do is I'll get on Tapatalk, I'll post it, and then we'll head on back. Alright, so I submitted those pictures to Tapatalk before somebody else got them. Try to do it before 5 because people get off of work at 5. I'm surprised Dex hadn't actually gotten it since he's in Florida and possibly gets off of work at 4 p.m. my time. But there's that. It's an easy game, it's fun, year round. Gets you out riding, makes you realize that, like, if you actually turn on your scooter on a regular basis, your battery doesn't die. Ooh, Scrape City. But yeah, if you guys like that kind of content, give me a thumbs up. If you want to actually be part of the tag game, leave me a comment down below and actually follow the link in the description. If you want to see what else I have, hit that subscribe button to see all of my videos and be part of the squad. And if you don't want to miss anything I post, ring that bell so you're notified every single time I upload something. And until next time, guys, keep causing a ruckus. Spass out. Later. Key tags are available in the description below.